Okay, so today's continuous math question is the following. The function f(x,y) is given by this equation, where we have x squared, y to the fourth, plus y cubed, plus x squared, y squared, minus 3y plus x squared plus 1. And we're asked to write down the partial derivatives of the following. So with respect to x, with respect to xy, with respect to x squared, xy, and y squared. So then for this function, we first write it out, and then it's pretty straightforward. When we derive the partial derivative with respect to x and y, we just treat x as the only variable and y as like a constant, and the same with y. And then for x squared, we just do it another time with the x, with this result of the partial derivative with respect to x. And then the same with y with respect to the alpha partial derivative of y. And then the x and y is just taking no matter which one, x, and then differentiating that with respect to y or y with x. The order doesn't matter. So no matter what we do, we get this expression. So I think it's pretty straightforward. Like we can walk through one is like, for instance, x squared y to the fourth plus y cubed, x squared minus y. So like basically this, we see that the first term, if we differentiate with respect to x, then we get x squared, and then y to the fourth is just a constant, so it's like that. And then the same applies throughout. So that's a pretty straightforward question. I'm even surprised they allocated 5 marks for it, because this question is just kind of too easy. Okay, let's stop it for here today.